In today's video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough on how to use Calendly. First, open your browser and visit the Calendly website, then sign up using your email, Google, or Microsoft account. Once you're done signing up, you'll be directed to the homepage. On the Scheduling tab, you can create a new event. For example, you can choose a group event type. Just click it and you'll be able to customize everything like the meeting name, duration, location, availability, invitee limit, and even the host. After making your changes, click Create and your event will be saved. Next, we have the Single-Use Links tab. This is where you can manage links that can only be booked once. You can create a single-use link from an event type, and it will appear here so you can control how often you get booked. Then there's the Meeting Polls tab. This feature lets you gather everyone's availability to find the best time for the group meeting. You can track votes as they come in and then schedule the meeting based on the most popular time. In the Meetings tab, you'll see all your upcoming and past meetings. If you want to join one, just click the event, then look at the location section. For example, if it's a Zoom meeting, simply click the link to join. Next is the Availability tab. Here, you can edit your working hours depending on when you're free. You can also adjust hours for specific dates by selecting the day and setting a custom time range, or clicking the X if you're unavailable the whole day. In the Contacts section, you'll find all your contacts along with their next scheduled meeting with you. The Workflows tab lets you automate meeting communications like reminders and follow-ups. Under Integrations and Apps, you can connect tools like Zoom, Google Meet, Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and many more to streamline your scheduling process. You'll also find routing forms, where you can create or import a form and set rules that automatically send people to the right booking page based on their responses. If needed, you can check analytics to track event performance and routing activity. Finally, to access your account settings, click on your profile icon and select All Settings. Here you can update your profile, add a logo for branding, customize your Calendly link, adjust notifications, manage login preferences, and even enable security options like requiring email verification for bookings. And that's it. That's how you use Calendly from start to finish. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.